Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Cars Garage. Today we are at AutoCape open house here in Redwood City. As you can see, I just got parked in here in the back. It's actually a car storage facility here in Redwood City. I saw their Viper several times at the car show, so we're going to take a look. There are a lot of nice cars inside. So yeah, without further ado, let's go check it out. Check it out, guys. We have Rob's Tacoma truck here. Blacked out badge. We have a nice cargo cover, really nice blackout set badge as well. Love this car, man. This color is so unique. Tacoma, it's in prestige condition, guys. Love it. This is Rob's Tacoma truck here. I think he sold the Supra for this one. Very nice. Alright, guys, we just parked the car in the back. We're heading inside to the facility here, AutoCape, so let's go check it out. Alright, guys, here we are at the AutoCape garage. It's a big one. We have all the cars parked outside. Actually, let's go check out the cars inside the parking lot. We have the red Jag GT350, the AMG. Oh, there's a lot of cars here. We have the Macan S. Oh, nice. We have Evora here. With a big carbon fiber wing. Yeah. Oh, nice. E46 M3. Also have a Mazda here. Right here at the AutoCape vehicle storage. Man, that Evora looks really cool. Almost identical to Dave's Evora, but this one looks more track prepared. And we are back. We have two, looks like an RV here. We have an Alfa Romeo. This place is huge. Also have a trailer here. Have a Beetle, another Alfa Romeo, all the classic Porsches. Also have an E46. Yeah, also have a AMG here. Check out this Corvette here. We have a RS2 swap. Yeah, this is crazy. Also have more Alphas here. A couple 911s. And some scooters too. We have Waters GT3 here. I think it's a 2014. The Water runs the Bay Area Drivers Club on Facebook. When he first created the Drivers Club, I went on a cruise with him to Alice's. This is a nice car. I think he got a state revved by Officer Murphy because of the exhaust. Yeah. So, the same officer who state revved Meow and Brendan twice, Officer Murphy, but now it's all back to stock. Beautiful GT3. And we have a classic car here, a Volvo. And we have the shop's Viper SRT10. Oh yeah.
I'll do that. Yeah, before a taco. Yeah, I can understand that. So for a long time, I worked out of my.
Check it out, guys. Beautiful Rolls Royce. I've seen this car at the Peterson Museum, but man, this is insane. Wow. You can see the resemble to the even the newer model. The use of the wood and the dining table and the beautiful logo. Man, this is crazy. Oh, we have Dave here. Nice. Man, this car is crazy. Wow. And we have this guy wearing a Maserati shirt. Have a beautiful V10 Viper. Man, this color, such a pretty Viper. Man, this car is easily over 120, even 140 right now. Also have a snow trooper, some EVs here. Man, check out the side fin on the Viper. Very aggressive, cooling, a beauty. And we also have an old Jag. Also have Jeremy's 4C and our parts. Let's go check out Dave's Evora. Man, look almost identical to the other one. Except that one has a big carbon fiber wing. Oh, we have another Evora. It's a lot of Evora today. Oh, also have a Julia Rodin. Looks like a base model. Pretty nice interior. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. Just got a Coke here. I ate like 8 tacos. The food is amazing. I'm really full right now. Thanks again for watching this video, and if you ever need vehicle storage, make sure to go ahead and check out AutoCape here in Redwood City. As always, I'll see you guys very soon. Cheers.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder.